Hey guys, Nikki, please don't get mad at me for saying this, but I can't do videos anymore. My mom doesn't want me to anymore. I don't know why. But I don't know if Silas will still do the videos. It's not as much fun as just having it as one person as you can see. But sorry. This is the last video I'm gonna be in at least. Maybe I'll come a little bit in Skylar's videos if she still makes them. But sorry guys. If you're mad at me, I get it, but sorry. Well, last time you're gonna be seeing me for a while. Alright.